Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the TSTS Professional Electronic Keyboard, specifically their folding 88 key model. This is a portable electric piano designed for beginners and home use, but with some features that really stand out. Right away, you notice the folding design. This makes it incredibly easy to transport, whether you're just moving it around the house or taking it somewhere else to play. The build quality feels solid. The description mentions exquisite materials, fine workmanship, and smooth edges, and holding it, you get that sense of a well-made instrument. It's designed to be easy to carry, perfect for beginners who might want to practice anywhere. Now, the keyboard itself is a standard 88-key full-range layout. What's impressive here is the heavy hammer action. They've apparently drawn on the German acoustic piano weighting process, meaning the keys in different ranges are weighted and balanced differently, just like a grand piano. This is a big deal, as it aims to replicate the finger strength and touch required on an acoustic instrument, providing a much more realistic playing experience than a non-weighted or semi-weighted keyboard. For a beginner, developing the right touch is crucial, and this feature helps immensely. The sound capabilities are also quite versatile. This piano allows you to combine two timbres for a richer sound, which is great for adding depth to your playing. Or you can split the keyboard into two parts, letting you play different instrument sounds or timbres simultaneously. This opens up a lot of creative possibilities. It also restores the grand piano pedal function. With the included single pedal, you can achieve soft sound damping and sustaining functions, essential techniques for playing piano music properly. For sound output, it's equipped with a dual speaker external system. The description highlights a wide playback range, clear and loud sound, and an extraordinary 3D stereo piano sound effect. This means you don't necessarily need external amplification for practice or playing at home. The built-in speakers should provide a good listening experience. Overall, the TSTS Professional Electronic Keyboard seems to pack a lot into a portable, beginner-friendly package. The combination of the folding design, the realistic heavy hammer action, versatile sound options, proper pedal function, and a decent speaker system makes it a compelling option for anyone starting out or needing a portable practice instrument that feels like a real piano. It aims to provide a playing touch comparable to a grand piano, which is a significant advantage for developing technique. The ease of carrying means you can enjoy playing whether you're at home or outside. It really seems designed to offer a rich playing experience right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.